Jiggly slime, guys. And what you will be needing is a container, a bowl, some spoons, a mixture between hot water and borax, some water, some either it's hot, pink, or red. We're gonna see. Then we're gonna have some lotion and some shaving cream. So let's get started. So first, you're gonna want to take your glue. Oh my god! And just pour it into it. Oh my god. Then you're gonna want to take some shaving cream. Creme. Don't add in too much. Oh my god. Is there not any more left? Then you're not gonna want to add in too much. It has to be just right, the just right amount. And oh my god, there's shaving cream everywhere. You know what? Then you're going to want to get some water. Put it in the bowl. It's not hot. It's just needs to add water in it. And you're gonna want to go ahead and start stirring. Perfect. It may be a bit watery, but that's how you're supposed to do it. Then you're gonna want to go ahead and get your food color and some lotion. Okay, then we're gonna want to put in about 1 drop. And last but not least, the lotion. Okay, there we go. It's all pink! Yes! This color is like so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, then you're gonna want to go ahead, get your borax mixture. There's no other steps, so this is pretty basic. Oh god. No. Way too much. Right? No. Why am I using my hand? Because I needed to early, and now this is what I'm stuck with. Get some more borax and go mix. Get some more borax and go mix. So it's been coming together pretty good. It doesn't feel as jiggly as I supposed it would be. It feels more like hard, but maybe that's because we just started. Then you want to take it and start putting it back in my slime. Whoa, this feels really jiggly actually. Let me just put this away. This feels like it's gonna get jiggly in no time flat. Let me just add some water. That would be nice and better. Okay, the reason why did I add more water? It's not because it's over borax, because what it's called. I think that might make it more jiggly. So yeah. I'm not exactly a slime expert, but sometimes I like to make up my own recipes, yeah, and then it just turns really different than I was expecting. But the main part why it's a bit over boraxed and it's more of a poking slime, more jiggly, it's because of this guy. He had a bit too much borax. And you see, it's pretty stretchy. I'm just kidding. If you stretch it like this, it's really stretchy, This is more of a poking slime. And it's pretty nice because, you know, you can just like play with it. And comment down below if you like it. If you do not want to, you don't need to comment, and you can just look at this video for the fun of it, you know. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Again, we are giving this away, and like, subscribe to this video if you enjoyed. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Again, we are making our goal of 1,000 subscribers, so hit that. Nope, don't hit it. Smash the subscribe button, guys, because you know you want to. And if you liked this video, you should go check out some other ones, because if you like taste in Roblox, we have some of that and some slime. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.